Finding the right apps can completely change the way you use your Mac, making it faster, smarter, and a lot more enjoyable to work with. So, in today's video, I will be sharing 5 of the best macOS apps you need to try. Whether you want to enhance your system, customize your setup, or unlock hidden features, these picks will definitely take your Mac experience to the next level. The first app is WinDisk Writer. If you have ever used Windows, you have probably familiar with Rufus, the free tool that create bootable USB drives in just a few clicks. Well, WinDisk Writer does the same thing but on Mac. Just select your Windows ISO file, choose your USB drive, and start creating a bootable USB drive for your Windows PC or even your Mac. And the best part, it can also create Windows 11 bootable USB drive for unsupported PCs or Macs by removing TPM, secure boot, and RAM requirements. Just check patch installer requirements before hitting the start button. Simple, easy, and absolutely free. The second app is Blip, the best alternative to AirDrop. AirDrop is awesome for transferring files between Apple devices. But what if you want to send files from your iPhone or Mac to Windows, Android, or even Linux devices? That's where Blip comes in. It works across multiple platforms and is super easy to use. Just drag and drop your files onto the Blip windows, and just like AirDrop, the other person will receive a notification. They simply press accept to receive the files. And if you are sending files to yourself, there is no need to press accept at all. It transfers automatically. It's fast, reliable, and effortlessly simple. The third app is one of my favorite tools for installing Windows on a Mac. It is an advanced version of Boot Camp that allows you to install Windows directly from macOS to any internal or external drive without the need to create a bootable USB drive. The best part, you are not limited to a single version of Windows. You can install any version you want on your internal or external USB drive. As you can see, the app interface is simple and clean. Simply drag your Windows ISO file into the app, select the drive or partition where you would like to install Windows, choose your desired version, and hit install. It's that easy. Once the installation starts, you can minimize the app and carry on with your routine tasks. Within a few minutes, Windows will be fully installed on your selected drive. This app is fully compatible with macOS Tahoe and works perfectly on both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. The fourth app is Raycast. I like to call it the father of Spotlight. Why? Because it does everything Spotlight does and so much more. For example, you can check the weather, look up locations, use ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools all inside Raycast. It's super simple and lightning fast. You can also search emojis, special characters, generate images, and more all within the app. It even includes a clipboard history, and believe me, it's way more powerful than macOS Tahoe version. You can store hundreds of clipboard items for up to 3 months. Organize them into categories, edit entries, or even delete or pin items. It's basically Spotlight Clipboard but on steroids. And that's just the beginning. Raycast also comes with a built-in extension store packed with hundreds of add-ons from Gemini and ChatGPT to Google Drive and YouTube. That means you can search YouTube videos, summarize text, rewrite paragraphs, and so much more, all from inside Raycast without ever opening your browser. And the best part, it also works perfectly on older version of macOS, not just Tahoe. In short, if Spotlight is good, Raycast is the version of Spotlight Apple never built. And finally, the fifth app, TinkerTool. It's a must-have utility that unlocks dozens of hidden macOS settings Apple never shows in system settings. You can customize Finder, Dock, Launchpad, Appearance, and much more. It's completely free, safe to use, and does not modify any system files. It simply enables features that macOS keeps hidden. So, if you love tweaking and personalizing your Mac, TinkerTool is the perfect app for you. And that's it for today's video. This app can really take your macOS experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.